your shoes. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. Every step that I take is another.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This here, this is a talking fishbowl.
Gestured to all of them.